USA TV channels list for IPTV. Are you tired of buffering? Is your favorite USA channel list constantly freezing or missing? I know how frustrating it is when you just want to relax and watch TV. If you face any difficulty, comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Today, I will show you how to find and fix your USA TV channels list for IPTV. First, always use a verified IPTV provider. Look for names like Realm IPTV or Lexon Stream. They offer over 40,000 live channels. Check your internet speed first. You need at least 10 megabits per second for HD streaming. Use a wired Ethernet cable. Wi-Fi can be unstable. A direct connection reduces buffering significantly. If the app is crashing, restart your device. This clears temporary glitches. Go to Settings, then go to Apps, then select your IPTV app, then select Clear Cache. Check your M3U playlist URL. If channels are missing, your link might be outdated. Copy the latest URL from your provider portal. Paste it into your app settings, then select Update. Is your provider blocking your stream? This is common with some internet service providers. Use a virtual private network, or VPN. This encrypts your traffic. It bypasses ISP throttling. Is your program guide empty? This is an EPG issue. Go to Settings, then select EPG, then select Refresh. For audio sync problems, simply restart the stream. Most apps have a refresh button. If your speed is low, reduce the video quality. Go to Settings, then select Video, then select 720p. Avoid free lists from unverified websites. They often contain malware or broken links. Try a 24-hour trial before buying. Test the USA channels during peak hours, like evening time. Try changing your DNS settings. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then select DNS, then enter 8.8.8.8. Ensure your device is compatible. Use apps like TechVibes or IPTV Smarters for the best experience. Check if your subscription has expired. Most apps show the expiry date on the home screen. Follow these steps. Your USA TV channels will work perfectly. I am confident these fixes will work for you. Stay connected for more tech tips. See you in the next video.